my channel. Today we are doing a fun video. We are reviewing the Kendall, wow, the palette's already so dirty, sorry guys. The Kendall collection by Kylie Cosmetics. I was able to pick up the whole collection for myself on the website. Really happy I got here in time for you guys to probably see this first, the review, see if you want to buy it, spend your coins or not. So yes, I actually love the look. I was really inspired by Kendall's look on Instagram, so I hope that I was able to do it justice, a little more model-esque vibes for today's look. So without further ado, if you guys want to see my review on the new Kendall collection by Kylie Cosmetics and other products, then please keep on watching. Let's go ahead and get started, right? Super excited about this collection, the Kendall collection by Kylie Cosmetics. Here is a preview of what the palette looks like. I love every single color in this palette. I love that it has a lot of muted neutrals and not too dark, easy to play with. They have some shimmer colors as well as some colorful ones as well. Super playful, perfect for the summer. I also like that in the back of the palette you're able to see the name shades, which is also very helpful to know which shades you are using. I am very tempted to play with the colors in the palette, but I do want to create the look that Kendall had on her Instagram. It's so cute. Let me show you guys. Like, this look is literally what I live for. So I'm probably gonna fill in my brows a little bit more, but this is what we're going for today. I also love that the overall tone of the eye is not too warm either. It's more like a muted, cool tone, like warm look, if that makes any sense. First, we're gonna go in with the shade Cup of Tea. Gonna take that on a blending brush. This is from Dose of Colors. Oh, she has a mirror, guys. I didn't even notice that. So I did apply a little bit of concealer on the brow bone area, but I didn't apply any on the actual lid. I want to keep it somewhat like more on the glossy side. I don't want my lid completely like caked on. It's gonna be super natural, signature Kendall look. I really love tones like this to just apply like all over the lid. I think they're so flattering and so pretty, really model-esque. I'm just gonna layer like different neutrals on top of each other to create a really soft eyeshadow look. Really buff it out on the outer corner. We're gonna go in with a slightly different brush, a more tapered blending, and we're gonna go with the shade Loyal because you need a loyal friend in your life. It's a little bit more on the warmer side, and I'm gonna use this on the crease as well, but just focusing it on the crease. Gonna give us a little bit of hint of warm. I love the orange caramel tint to it. You guys should see how that just added so much more to the eye, and it still looks very nice and effortless. Very, very happy with the quality of the eyeshadows. Blending just right, barely any fallout. And we just want to make sure that we create a really nice and seamless blend so you can't tell where the color starts. So now we're gonna do a color for just all over the lid area. I'm taking my Sigma E27. It's like a packer slash blending brush. Taking the shade Love You Sister. How cute. It's more like a mauve neutral nude. It's gonna add a little bit of warmness and color to the lid, so everything doesn't look just too brown or nude. It's all about adding little by little, creating a nice blend. So I'm just taking that Love You Sister color and really buffing that on the outer corner and kind of winging it out as well, creating a nice blend. Love, love, love. I'm gonna go in with a little hint of this color because it just keeps calling my name. It's the one that says I'm Telling Mom. Love that. I'm just gonna take this with another blending brush. I'm gonna take a little bit just to add a little brightness here on the crease. You see that right there? Tiniest amount. I'm gonna go in with the shade Brunettes Do It Best. This color right here is a soft brown. I'm gonna use this to apply like just in the outer part of my eye to create somewhat of a wing effect. But we're not gonna wing it out, we're just going to line the outer eye. Something like that. Very subtle, very minimal. Love, love. Now to define the eye a little more, before mascara and lashes, I'm gonna do eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. I'm using the Kylie liner in the shade Brown. Give it a little shake, shake, shake. And again, focus out only on the outer corner. Just like that on the lash line. Okay guys, so we're back with some lashes. I kind of did them like fox style, a little bit more towards the outer corner. I'm waiting for the glue to dry a little bit more. And I'm going to cover that with some eyeliner, do my foundation, and then now let's move on to some complexion products that is also from the collection. Here we have the 3 cream sticks available, which when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, I need. Because as you guys know, I have been loving a lot of cream products. We have a blush, bronzer, and a highlighter. So first, let's go with the bronzer, which they actually did launch more bronzer shades. That's very exciting. This is what it looks like. This is in this shade Act Natural. It's a nice cool tone color. I haven't seen a color like this. It's like a gray cool tone. So I'm gonna just do this first. I don't think I have contour with a shade like this, so very exciting moment. I'm taking the Sigma Flat Air F80. I feel like I'm not mad about it, but I would have preferred something a lot warmer. It does look a little bit grayish to me, at least on my skin tone it does. Probably on fair skin tones, it will look like so good. I feel like I'd rather have a more warm base. I mean, it blends out nicely, but I wouldn't choose this color if I had other options. It'll probably be good for like the nose probably. I'm taking some of that as well and running it on the sides of my nose, like a little contour moment. I can't say that I love it. No, I don't love the color. I love the formula. I will probably pick up more. There are warmer tones. I have like a whole collection of bronzer sticks, but this one, maybe I'll have to play around with a little bit more, but I'm not very impressed by it. So now that I have the bronzer contour done, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up a little bit. I am gonna go in with my regular concealer that I use, just in the areas that I normally would. As you can see, because we have such a nice blend with the eyeshadow, I didn't even have to clean up with foundation or anything. I wish I had my Kylie loose powder because it is so good. I just ran out of it. I forgot to pick some up, but her loose powder, guys, it's so great. I am gonna go in with a little bit of Kylie Cosmetics concealer. It's so good. I only like to do it right here in the inner corner. It just brightens up the area so much more without having to add like loads of concealer. This is in the shade Bone. I could not wear this like all over like my eye. It'll be like too fair, but I like it just for the inner corner, just to add a little more brightness. Okay, now for bronzer. It's not in the collection, but some of my favorite bronzers from Kylie are here. I have the shade Almond and Toasty. I feel like I have to go with Almond because I am more tan, but Toasty, y'all, it is my jam. Look at how nasty it is. Such a good bronzer. Just gonna take a little bit. Taking this Sephora 59. These Sephora brushes, guys, are in. Let me tell you. Just taking a little bit and just really bronzing face, not really contouring. And this shade is a little darker and very pigmented. So I feel like going in with a big fluffy brush like this one, it's really gonna get you a nice dark bronze color. And then I lightly run it all over the face if it's looking a little bit fair, because now with my self-tan, I gotta make sure everything matches. So something very light. These lashes, guys, they're like the prettiest, like natural lashes, but they give me such a hard time. Here we have the cream blush. This is in the shade Runaway. Love this color. Go ahead and give her a swatch. Oh my god, I love how sheer it is. Well, that's like not the prettiest swatch, but it went on super nice, creamy, and light. What I'm gonna do before I apply my cream blush, I always like to go ahead and set my face with some setting spray so everything's nice and moist. I feel like that's the best way for the cream products to adhere to like powdered skin and it not look like patchy, you know? Really have been liking this How Many Cosmetics Jady Wady spray. For cream blush, I have sort of a technique down. I like to take the blush stick. This is another Sephora brush, and I like to just run my brush, I spit everywhere, onto the blush stick. And as you can see, I just start dabbing the color lightly onto the cheeks. I'm not rubbing, I'm just pressing. That way you will not move any other products around. And then once I'm done applying it on my cheeks, I'll take whatever's left and start running it on my nose like this. Going back in with the eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna take just the same colors that I used on the lid. I'm gonna be taking Cup of Tea and Brunette's Do It Best together, and I'm going to buff that on my lower lash line. Gonna be applying some lower lash mascara, taking my MAC Giga Black Lash. It's my favorite one for my lower lashes. How's she looking? How's she feeling? Love the look so far. Now that we're almost done with the eyes, I'm gonna add a little bit of inner corner highlight and brow bone. I'm gonna take the color Twice the Ice, like a pretty light champagne pearl color. So the highlight is called Spotlights. Very nice, icy. I'm very curious to see the color of this. I was not expecting it to have like gold reflex in it. Even though it's like a white champagne color, I like my golden tones better. I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand, how I usually do it. And then for cream highlighter, guys, I just like taking my finger, warm up the product, and then I'll just, it's like a glassy highlighter look. Makes it look like glass skin. Wow. I would have never tried this color if it wasn't like in this collection. Just by looking at it, you don't think that it goes on like this. You think it goes on like super like cool tone, but it's really like transparent. It's like a transparent highlighter stick. Nice, dewy, model-esque, so Kendall. Gonna take a little more of that. Tip of the nose, cupid's bow, chin, and then I'm taking the rest on the forehead. But I love the dew, love the glow. Fire, okay? We have a couple more products from the collection. this balm that I'm just like super intrigued. It is a translucent blotting powder, but it's like a jelly like consistency. I'm gonna take it with the little puff that it came with. Let's see, this air right here just mattifies it. It has no smell to it. It's good to keep like on the go though. Wow, I love. Just keeps everything nice in place. Definitely very excited to try this out. I'll definitely have to keep it with me in my purse. That way, whenever I'm out and about, I can test it more accurately. But I like the texture. I like how it feels in the skin. And I can see how it just like soaks up everything that's not supposed to be there. Really cool, dope formula. Now let's move on to the lips. Very excited for this. And then they also have like this everything everywhere gloss that you can literally put on your eyelids, on your lips. We'll see if we'll play with that when we're done. Here we have the lip kit right here. The shade is called Sister Sister. It's like a velvety, actually I don't even know what it smells like. Her lip kits, I don't even know what formula this is, but the color is very pretty. It's more on the rosy tones for me. Of course, I'm willing to try it out. That's the lip liner. And then we have a gloss called Can I Borrow That High Gloss. So, oh, I love the applicator. It looks really nice and juicy. Love this gloss. It's like a tinted buttery gloss. So this is all of the lip products. They look really pretty. Really excited to try them out. I'm here for the shades. I'm gonna go in first with the lip liner. The formula of the lip liner is very similar to all of her other lip liners, which I love. I haven't done a lip this color in a minute, y'all. So I'm kind of like, it's a really pretty color. I can never find like the right one, but so far it looks like the right amount of pink. Now let's go in with it's called lip blush. So maybe you can apply it to your face as well. This is such a cool formula. Love the color. I really hope they make this formula into nude lip colors because this formula is popping. Oh my god, I love. So pretty. Okay, Val, trying out with the pinks and the mauves. I see you, girl. Gotta hype myself up these days. Nobody's doing it for me. Okay, here we have the gloss, the Can I Borrow That Gloss. Oh, it's so juicy. Oh, it feels so buttery, y'all. Here's a glossy moment for you guys. I live. So here we have the final look. What do you guys think? Do we love? Do we not love? What products did you guys think are worth it? Which products are your favorite? I loved all the products except the contour stick. Not the formula, not the packaging, just simply the color. For my skin tone, I feel like it wasn't that flattering. However, I will be trying out her new formulas because the formula is great. I just need a different color and I'm good to go. Other than that, I do see myself using these products more on the daily now. It's kind of my vibe. This is like the only pink mauve combination that I will ever be able to do, along with the gloss. The gloss alone over any like nude color, over anything will be absolutely stunning. Love everything else. I'm so happy with this collection. As always, I will have other products that I use and mention listed down below, along with their links and everything else you need to know. I hope that if you guys stumbled upon this video, you were able to make a decision whether you want to try the Kylie Cosmetics Kendall collection. So yeah, guys, that is it for today. I love you so much. Muchos besitos y abrazos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.